Okay, thanks everybody for coming to this Campaign Against Climate Change Arctic Meltdown meeting. I'm sure that everybody's seen stuff about it in the news, about what's happening in the Arctic. We were watching developments, and on the 24th of August, well actually the day after, we could see from the National Snow and Ice Data Center in the US that the record for the extent of sea ice in the Arctic had been broken. Of course, that record was set in 2007, which itself was an exceptional year that set alarms bells in the scientific community. And it was amazing to see that record broken so early in the year, because normally the ice reaches its lowest point about mid-September, around about now, or a week or so ago. So this was really quite a bombshell, But we'll hear more about that. The campaign as such was straight outside Downing Street with a big block of ice in the shape of an ice cube, and generally trying to publicise the fact that this was a pretty significant development that needed a response from government, and that this was real evidence that climate change was happening, and happening much quicker than anybody had thought. Well, we're very pleased tonight to have Professor Peter Wadhams from the Cambridge Department of Applied Mathematics and Physics, apparently, and the Polar Ocean Study Group. Is that right? Yes. And he's been, I know, studying the polar ice for the last 40 years, and he's been looking at it from the other side to most people, from submarines, looking upwards. So he's been very aware of the thickness of it, not just the area. And it may be partly for this reason, but we'll soon find out that his predictions about the Arctic ice have been more radical, you could say, than many others. And he has been, I think it's true to say, you'll correct me if not, predicting the complete disappearance of Arctic ice at the end of summer by 2015, and he's been saying that since his Arctic trip in 2007, I believe. And this has, been a bit of a bombshell in the academic community. But this year, it's looking much more likely that his predictions are look to be coming true. So this is a very sharp end of academic research on the ice. So we're very pleased to have Professor Wadhams, and as soon as I can, I will hand over to, and thanks very much. So we can have a little clap for Professor Wadhams.